Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick video how to check the battery voltage and the oil level on Mercedes E-Class W211. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Let's start. Hi guys, to check the battery voltage or the oil level on Mercedes E-Class W211, you turn the key on the position 1, then you press 1, 2, 3, 4 times until it shows the battery voltage. Then on the arrows here you go up and shows you the oil level. Now if you want to see the oil that is inside, you put the key on the position 2 and we'll show you how much oil do you have in the engine. There you go guys, thank you for watching.